Hello, my students. I'm Selin teacher. Today we will study our workbook. Open it and page 92. Last lesson we listened to the song and repeated the words. Now part 5. Work with a friend. There are three questions. Work with a friend part. Ask and answer. What are two common ways we pollute the sea? What are some ways we use the sea? Why is it important to care for the sea? I prepared some example answers for you. Let's look. Okay, the first one, we throw rubbish, we pollute with oil spill. 2. We use the sea for fishing, playing on the beach, swimming, and transport. 3. Because there are sea creatures in the sea, and it is an important resource for both animals and people. You can write your own answers too here. Write them down on your notebooks. Now we continue with the page 94. There is a grammar part here. Let's listen it first, then I will give extra.
Track B5. Grammar. We have to keep the sea clean. You can't throw rubbish into the sea. We must protect the sea. Don't leave food on the beach.
This sentence is an imperative and the other ones are modals. Okay, let's look at them, what they are, what they mean, how can we use them. Okay, have to, we use have to for external obligation. Have to mainly expresses general obligations. It is an impersonal idea. For example, we have to do our homework. I have to brush my teeth twice a day. Okay, here you obey. You need to obey because there is an obligation here. It's for external. So if you, for example, for the sentences, if you don't do your homework, then you can have a fine. Your teacher can get angry with you. You can have bad marks on your exams. Or if you don't brush your teeth, you can go to a dentist or you can have teeth problems. For example, must, we use must for internal obligation. Must expresses the speaker's feelings. For example, I must study hard for my exam. I must sleep now because I didn't sleep well last night. It's up to you. It shows here your feeling. Mustn't it's a kind of prohibition. For example, you mustn't drive fast. You mustn't pollute the sea. Like this, it's a prohibition. Imperatives, they are mostly used for giving orders, for requesting or advising somebody to do or not to do something. For example, please be silent. Do not talk when someone is speaking. In the classroom, teachers use more imperatives because we give some something to the students. And for example, open the window please, close the door please. It can be positive or negative imperative, and we use here bare form of the verb. Can't, if something is not allowed, we use can't. It's a prohibition. For example, you can sit here, it's my chair. Or you want to go out and you ask for your mom. Mom, can I go out please? She says, no, you can't because you didn't finish your homework. Here, she doesn't let you. She doesn't allow you. Okay. Now, part 6, tick. Right or wrong? There are 5 sentences here. We will put tick for right or wrong. Okay, let's zoom. We must throw plastic bags in the sea. It's a wrong sentence. 2. Don't leave rubbish in the classroom. That's right. 3. You have to throw rubbish in the rivers. It's wrong. We mustn't throw rubbish in the rivers. 4. You can't use biodegradable things. They will never disappear. It's wrong. 5. We must protect natural habitats. It's true. It's right. Now we pass part 7. Read complete the sentences. 1. We must protect the whales and the dolphins. 2. Blah blah throw bottles into the sea. You can say don't throw bottles, or you can say we mustn't throw bottles. I haven't got so many spaces here, so I'm writing just don't. You can write also we mustn't. 3. Blah blah respect and protect nature. Here we can say we must respect and protect the nature. Also, you can write we have to respect and protect nature. 4. Blah 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 help with the housework. We have to help with the housework. Okay. Because our parents need our help. And 5. Blah 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 leave rubbish in the classroom. You can say don't leave rubbish in the classroom, or we mustn't leave rubbish in the classroom. Sorry, I'm writing badly. You can write here don't also. Okay. Now page 95, part 8. What about you? Write about rules at home and at school. At home, I have to tidy my room every day. At home, I have to clean up. I have to cook. Like this, you can write some sentences. And at school, I have to prepare exams for students, for my students. I have to write the answers of the books. You can write for yourself, okay? At home and at school, it's your homework. We are going to check it later. Now the other part, work in a group, compare your rules. This girl says, at school, don't leave rubbish in the classroom. And the other one says, at home, we have to help our parents to clean up. You can make some sentences like this according to you. Okay, here there is a video, let's watch it.
Hello? Stop! Excuse me. Don't throw your rubbish into the sea.
Why not?
The sea is an important resource. We must look after the sea.
What do you mean?
Rubbish makes the beaches and the water dirty. Would you like to swim and play in dirty water?
No! Yuck! I wouldn't like to swim in dirty water.
Do you like eating fish?
Yes, I love eating fish.
So do I. Did you know that rubbish hurts fish and other sea creatures? They sometimes think the rubbish is food and eat it. Oh, that makes them unwell and can even kill them. If we don't look after the sea, sea creatures could disappear.
That sounds terrible. I think I understand. If we want to play on the beach, swim and fish in clean water, we have to protect the sea. We can't throw rubbish into it.
That's right. The sea is one of our most important resources. We must keep pollution out of the sea.
On the video, we learned the sea's importance again and how we can help the nature for it. Okay, now let's pass page 96. Okay, now page 96. Here we will listen and repeat, then read and write. So take your pencils with you and write, okay? Let's start.
Track B6, Activity 10. Listen and repeat. Then read and write.
An oil spill.
Okay, firstly write this and the sentences.
There was a bad oil spill near the beach, so we can't swim there.
Okay, so if you need help, you can stop the video and continue to write. Now the next word.
Rubbish. Don't throw rubbish on the beach.
One time for you. Now the next word.
Overfishing. We need to stop overfishing.
It's a kind of dictation for you.
Plastic.
The other word. Write down.
Don't throw plastic bags in the water. Fish and birds can get hurt.
Again, something for you.
Biodegradable. Food is biodegradable.
I hope you finished them. So there is a part here for vocabulary part. We will complete these blanks with these words here. You can see the photographs. Let's zoom it. Okay, the first one, banana skins, plastic bottles, fizzy drink cans, old newspapers, boxes and broken toys are examples of rubbish. 2. When companies catch too many fish all the time, there aren't enough fish left to reproduce. This is called, do you remember? I remember. It starts with O. Overfishing. Overfishing. Let's read it. Okay. Now number 2. Paper is blah blah blah. With time it disappears. So number 3. Paper is biodegradable. With time it disappears. I'm writing this very long, sorry. Okay. So bottles and bags are made out of blah blah are not biodegradable. Start with P. Plastic. And 5. Big ships called tankers transport oil across the sea. When they have an accident and oil escapes, the result is an oil. Do you remember it? Oil spill. I'm writing bad lines, so sorry about it. Okay, so write them. And for the next lesson, we will continue with the video and the listening. Take care, be safe at home, and goodbye.